This 88-pound rock can actually float easily on water. Two men didn't believe it, so they lifted the rock together and tossed it into a nearby pond. The rock splashed up a huge wave and quickly sank to the bottom. However, after just a dozen seconds, it slowly rose back to the surface. This strange sight quickly drew a crowd. The guy who'd moved the rock rolled up his pant legs and waded in to take a closer look. As a result, he was surprised to find the rock felt lighter in the water. With a casual push, he could flip it over easily. Stubborn by nature, he tried pressing it down hard, yet after several attempts, it kept floating back up. Could the problem be the water? So he threw the rock into the ocean too, but the result was the same. It floated up again. It even felt lighter than a grain of sand. Meanwhile, he tossed an ordinary rock into the pond again. As expected, it didn't float. There was no doubt the issue was the rock. With the owner's permission, he sent it to a research lab. A scan showed the rock was packed with tiny pores, and the pores were filled with gas. Experts guessed it was likely volcanic rock. When magma erupts, it solidifies into rock in an instant, and the air doesn't have time to escape, so it gets sealed inside. Therefore, its density is lower than water, which is why it won't stay sunk. The riddle was finally solved, and the owner was thrilled, saying he'd keep it well as a family keepsake for future generations to admire.